Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Daily English Dose. I'm Alia Mehar, and in today's video we're going to solve a big problem that almost every English learner faces. Why can't I understand fast native English speakers? Have you ever watched a Hollywood movie or heard someone from the UK, US, or Australia speak and thought, did they even say anything that was so fast? Well, don't worry, in this video I'll teach you exactly why native speakers sound so fast, how to train your ears to catch every word, and how you can practice daily with easy steps. If you're serious about improving your listening and speaking skills, hit that red subscribe button now and press the bell icon so you never miss your daily English boost with me. Let's get started. Let's begin with the most important question. Why does native English sound so fast and confusing? Reason 1. Connected speech. Native speakers don't speak word by word, like I am going to the market. They say, I'm gonna go to the market. The words connect, shrink, and blend together. Example, what do you want to do becomes what do you want to do? Did you eat yet becomes jeet yet. So when you learn words in isolation, your ears don't recognize these sounds in real life. Reason 2, reduced forms. Native speakers often reduce helping verbs, prepositions, and common words. I would have gone becomes I'd have gone. Want to becomes wanna. Going to becomes gonna. It sounds like a totally different language. Reason 3. Stress and rhythm. English is a stress-timed language. That means only the important words are stressed, and the rest are rushed. I was going to go to the store. See how was and to are rushed, and go and store are louder? If you only understand I was to the, you'll miss the point. Reason 4. Accents and slang. Every English speaker has a different accent. American, British, Australian, even regional ones like Scottish or Southern US. Plus, they use idioms and slang that textbooks don't teach. Example, that's lit. That's amazing. Hit me up. Contact me. So the problem isn't your English level, it's your exposure to real spoken English. Now let's talk about solutions. How can you understand fast native English speakers? I'll give you 7 practical strategies that really work. Number 1, train your ear daily with real English. Watch real-life videos daily. Not just movies or dramas. Try YouTube blogs, podcasts, English interviews, TED Talks. Start with subtitles. On, then off, repeat small parts. Example, watch The Ellen Show or BBC interviews with subtitles, pause and repeat. Number 2, use shadowing technique. Shadowing means listen and repeat at the same time. Choose 1-2-minute clips daily. Copy the speaker's tone, speed, and rhythm. Example, hey, what are you up to today? Hey, what are you up to today? Repeat immediately. Do this daily for 10 to 15 minutes. Number 3, focus on high-frequency phrases. Some phrases are used again and again in native speech. Learn them as chunks, not words. Examples, I'm not sure. It's kind of like, you know what I mean? Let me think. Use apps like Link, Fluent U, or just note them from movies. Number 4, slow it down. First, then speed up. Use YouTube playback speed. Start at 0.75x, then move to 1x. Don't feel bad for slowing down native speech. Your goal is to understand, then match it. Number 5, use transcript and audio together. Find a short audio or video with transcript or subtitles. Listen, read, listen again, speak along. Example websites lo.org, BBC Learning English, NPR podcast transcripts unsaid, sad, sads. Don't translate, think in English. Native speech is fast. If you try to translate into Urdu first, you'll miss the sentence. Example, if you hear, let's grab lunch, don't translate each word, just understand the meaning. Chalo lunch karte hai. Number 7's, daily listening habit 15 minutes rule. Listen to real English for 15 minutes every day. Not grammar lessons, real people talking. Make a schedule. Morning, 5-minute shadowing. Afternoon, 5 minutes podcast. Night, 5 minutes YouTube blog. Small steps. Daily habit equals big result. It's practice together now. I'll say real native-style sentences. I'll break them down slowly, then say them fast. Repeat after me. Example 1, slow. What do you want to do? Fast native. What do you want to do? Repeat with me. What do you want to do? Example 2, slow. I am going to eat now. Fast. I'm gonna eat now. Repeat. I'm gonna eat now. Example 3, slow. Did you get my message? Fast. Did you get my message? Repeat. Did you get my message? Example 4, with slang. Normal, that movie was great. Native, that movie was lit. Repeat. That movie was lit. Now your turn. Here's a short dialogue. Listen, repeat, and shadow it. Hey, what's up? B. Not much, just chillin'. You? Same here. Wanna grab coffee? B. Yeah, let's do it. Try saying it with natural tone and rhythm. Practice 3 times. Understanding native speakers is not magic, it's daily practice. Expose yourself to real English. Repeat and shadow every day. Train your brain to catch connected speech. And most importantly, don't give up. It gets easier every week if you stay consistent. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who also wants to improve English. This is Alia Mehar from Daily English Dose. I'll see you tomorrow with another useful English practice video. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking. Bye.